Our way there, and your thing is so dirty. This is Nelson. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am filming a vlog for you guys. I'm going hiking with my boyfriend, so yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video. And I almost tripped. Wait! He ditched me, y'all. Ditcher. Oh, you guys. This trail is really easy because we came here once already, you guys, and that was like, when was that? That was like last year.
Last year.
You're too tall. I might not even see you. But yeah, we came here like a long time ago. When was it, babe?
Last year.
I think it was like, yeah, last year we came here. So we're just coming back. Ooh, there's like a water thing right here. You guys, just gotta walk across it.
It's good for dogs.
But yeah. I don't know if it's angling right because you're so tall. See, we should have been early like them. They're really dumb. You're too slow. He sleeps too long. It's hot. It's starting to just get hot. The angles. He's too tall, so I don't know if you guys could see him because he's too tall. I'm like this. Oh my god, you guys, look at the bridge. It's so pretty up there, you guys. That's nice.
We actually hiked up there though.
We literally hiked up there last time, you guys.
There's actually people up there too.
We hiked up there last time with this hike trail here because we thought that was the one. It was super tiring. I'm hot. I don't know about you. I'm vlogging! Shut up. You guys, he has an issue with me vlogging. I don't know why. Babe! Can you like vlog me? Stop! You were supposed to vlog me walking! We are here, you guys. It's so hot, but we made it. Yes. It's gorgeous. Woo! Made it. I don't know if you can see the background. I'm shaky for some reason.
Hey.
I don't know why I'm shaky. done with the hike. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye.